He wants a kiss. Aw, so gentle.
That's sweet, bud.
Want to give him a pet? Good job.
He
Best
likes
friends
you.
already. She wants to see it too. You two are just cracking him up.
We got you. You're so funny, Kiwi. You two are too cute. Best friends already.
Pretty?
Ooh, look at him. Hi, Kiwi. You want to play with the baby? Whoa, fancy spin. He jumped on your shoe. You're friends now.
Look at him, buddy. That's Mango. Here, Daddy, say hi. Oh, there it is. He said hello. You like him, huh? He's dancing for you.
Look at those moves. You like it? He's showing off just for you, buddy.
Look at you go. He's dancing again.
You are such a show-off, Mango. Sing it.
That's the big finale.
Good job, buddy.
He's singing. Look at him. Careful, sweetheart. Wait for the blow.
Ready? Big breath.
He did it.
Good job, buddy. His face.
Oh my God. Look at him, sweetie. Your little friend.
Ready, Mango? Go get it. Ha! Hee-hee! Through the tunnel. Wow, good roll. You got it, buddy. Beep, beep.
Oh, look at him. He's finding every crumb.
You sharing?
That's so kind, sweetie. Here he goes. Oh, he loves it. Hello.
Who let the birds out? Giz, did you sound embarrassing again? Did you? Giz.
Tickle.
Tickle, tickle.
I love you.
I love you, Giz.
He likes you, buddy.
Pretty bird.
Oh my goodness. Gentle touches.
Look at that smile. Hello.
Oh, look at that smile. Gentle, yeah. Nice and gentle. He loves it. Oh, good job, sweetheart.
You saying hi? Hello. Gentle, buddy. They're chatting. Hello. Ah, that's funny, huh? Ooh, peekaboo. Boo.
Oh my God. Good job, bird.
Hey, look who's here, sweetheart. It's your birdie friend. Say hi. Hee hee, that's funny, huh?
Ready? Hold your arm out, gentle. Whoa, there you go.
That is so cool.
Good job, you two.
Easy, sweetie. Gentle fingers. That's it. Nice and soft. She likes that, huh? Good job, love.
You're talking back to you?
You see Kiwi? He's saying hi.
Hi, baby.
Gentle. There you go.
He tickles.
Yeah, he likes you.
One,
One,
two,
two,
three,
three,
4,
4.
5.
Singing to him.
Hello.
Hello. Da-da. Woo.
Hello. Hi, baby.
Peekaboo. Oh, good baby.
Can you squawk chirp? Can you squawk chirp? I'll take that as a no.
My Gibby guy.
Hi, Gibby guy.
Squawklar.
Squawk. You're the squawk guy.
Squawk. He likes you. What are you two chatting about?
Oh my gosh, he is just sitting up there.
You got yourself a singing hat, buddy. Do you like that, huh? He's calling you.
You're the cutest bear.
Look at all the parrots.
They're circling you, buddy.
Hi, Ducky.
Oh, here comes the big one.
That is the cutest parade ever.
He doesn't know what to think.
That was a big laugh.
We got one? Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Crunchy.
He fed you again, Dad.
Best little helper.
Look who's here. It's Peaches. Say hi, Sunshine. You like that? Can you show her again, buddy? Gentle kiss. Good bird.
Dr. Kiwi, what's the verdict today?
Listen to those lungs, huh? He's really taking this seriously.
Almost there it is. Look at that little heart. Good job, buddy. Gentle, sweetie. Birdie.
Good.
Okay, hold your arm out for him.
Step up.
Nice and steady. Good.
We did it.
He's coming to you, buddy. Keep going. Whoa, right on your head. Good job, keeping steady. Look at that passenger. Yeah, he's riding with you.
Ready? Step 2. Go, birdie, go. Nice
He's on
climb.
my top stair.
Gentle. Go ahead, give him your finger.
He kissed me.
So gentle. Good bird.
Oh, he got you again. Chirp, chirp.
Oh my goodness. You like that, huh?
He thinks you're pretty funny, buddy.
He's saying hi.
Password. Guys, wanna step up? Anyone? Kiss the white rabbit.
Ooh, big kiss.
Look at him. He likes you, buddy.
Gentle.
Good job. That is the sweetest thing.
Oh, he likes it. Play some more. Look at him dance to you. Are you two making music together? Yay, that's so... Oh my gosh, look at that. He's sitting right with you. He likes your arm. Be gentle, sweetie. Wow, big hug.
Here, he's talking to you.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Gentle, buddy. Gentle. They like each other. Look at that.
Oh, that's so sweet. Gentle, gentle. Good buddy.
You comfy back there, buddy? Hi, Mango. Hello, you're so silly.
Hello, Pepe. Hi, Pepe. Yes. Good, Pepe. Good morning. Love you.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that groove! Good dancing, buddies. And pose. Nice.
Sunny day we sway, ba ba ba, la la la. Dancing in the living room, little beats go boom boom boom. With my feather crew.
There it is. Cute little squeak. Ready? Good job. Boop. So chatty today.
Come on, buddy. Yeah, right over here. There you go. Hi, sweetie. Good job. Mm-hmm. Cuddles? Yeah. Hey, buddy. You like that? Good boy.
Here's a seat for you, buddy. Ready? Good crunch. How about a pumpkin one? Tiny one coming up. Oh my goodness, look at you guys. Nice copy, buddy. Boop. Gentle pup. Good boy. That is too cute.
Look at you dance, Kiwi.
Officer Gibby, are you the police?
Officer Gibby, where are you?
You ready for your little spa day, Tiny? Good bird. Hold still. There we go. Feels nice, huh? All done. Such a good boy.
Alright, selfie time. Give him a smile, big guy. Squat! Whoa, hey! Rufus, you just kicked me in the head. Alright, everybody squeeze in. Ready? Squat! Perfect. Family photo complete.
Peaches, that's Ollie's tail, not a toy. Gentle. Good girl. Back in your groove, huh, buddy? Nice twirl. Hop. There it is. Slowly getting back to normal here.